this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am sharing some common organizing mistakes. One of the most frequent mistakes I see is that people begin their organizing project by buying supplies. And by supplies, I mean bins or boxes or racks or shelves. And look, I get it. Shopping is fun. I love going to the Container Store or scrolling through Amazon and picking out some neat products. The problem with beginning with this is you're sort of doing the fun part first. Also, you may buy things that you end up not needing or not being able to use. So rather than start with the shopping, I say do the shopping closer to the end of the project and instead start with decluttering. Decluttering should always be your first step. Once you figure out what you have to store, you can decide exactly where you want to store it, take measurements, then you do the shopping. So don't start with shopping, declutter first.